Alright, dang Pluto back at it again with another mobile adventure. I'm gonna be working on this Infiniti G35 right quick. Power steering pump, couple hoses, belt tensioner, cooling reservoir. Just took the air box out on this side. We're gonna bottom the fan. All you gotta do is take out these two transmission and oil cooler lines from the fan, and then we can pop the fan out to the top or even the bottom. So we actually just pushed it up to the bottom, lifted it up. If you lift it up enough, you can just take it out to the bottom. Alright, got your hose pliers. Put on this little bottom reservoir hose. Comes out like that. These things, gonna find a half head. 3.5, of course. Half heads in the go. Right down here in the tensioner. Just like that. And then we're gonna pull up to release the tension. Like that. Then you can put like a little stick or whatever through this hole in there to hold it. Alright, 14 millimeter on the belt tensioner. Comes off like that. Alright, so we got that, the tension off. We're gonna replace the belt too. So we got the 24 millimeter. Upside down. Take off the high pressure. And this comes off like that. So we got a 12. This top screw here. This is gonna come off. And then we got a 14. Which I have to fish down in this area in between this pulley hole right in here. It's a 14. Stick it in like that. It's all fuzzy. And you'll twist like this, see? Already broke it loose. So we got the new pulley here. Just making sure everything lines up. New pump actually. This is the big 14 millimeter bolt that goes down here at the bottom. Over here. And then this top one. So we're gonna put that back. Put that bottom one on. Lined up. See, just line up this top one. I'm trying to do it with one hand, of course. Okay, now we can just push this one in the rest of the way. Tighten it up.